on the record in the matter of Lisa Smiley, 241059.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke appearing on behalf of my client. It's time we consent to the matter being heard via Zoom. Ms. Smiley, can you please unmute yourself and state your name for the record?
Hello. Yes, I'm Lisa Smiley.
All right. Good morning. Today is the date scheduled for a probation violation. Your client was sentenced to probation on October of 24. And it's alleged that she, and that's for operating while visibly impaired, it's alleged she tested positive for alcohol July 23rd. And counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. I had an opportunity to review the nature of the violation. My client is not, she's going to stipulate to the results. We do have an explanation, but we're not going to contest the results, and we are prepared to proceed.
Okay, and the court will note that Ms. Smiley was sentenced to 24 months probation, and you would have been eligible to request early discharge in October. However, that will be obviously moved back. So may I please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony? May I please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and ma'am, you heard the allegation, correct?
Yes.
And as to the allegation, ma'am, how did you plead?
Guilty.
And you've gone over your advice and rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes.
And you understand all of those rights?
Yes.
You also understand by entering into a plea that you'll be waiving some of those rights?
Yes.
And you understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, and that the recommendation in this matter is for a 30-day alcohol tether, continue and complete all terms of probation, 5 days jail, suspended. You understand that that's the recommendation?
Yes.
Knowing all that, do you want to continue with your plea?
Yes.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please run your claim.
I'd like to direct your attention to on or around July 23rd of 2025. Did you submit yourself to a test as ordered by probation?
Yes.
And will you stipulate that the results of the test had alcohol in your system?
Yes.
You understand that although you may not have ingested alcohol, that a term and condition is to not have alcohol. Although we can provide an explanation, you're not going to contest that there was alcohol in your system pursuant to the testing, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violation, enter technical violation 1, and counsel asks the recommendation.
Your Honor, my client's done extremely well on probation. I had a conversation with her in which she was described, and I'm going to have her be able to explain to the court why she believes that there might have been alcohol in her system. But I believe that she was very sincere and contrite during our dialogue. I don't believe that she's knowingly or willingly or unintentionally taking alcohol to drink. I don't believe that's a factor. I believe that she's taking this probation very seriously. I'm going to be asking for any leniency here, Judge. The issue that I have with the tether is she is a bartender. She does not imbibe, but being in that environment, I'm concerned that potentially there could be some sort of accidental spillage that could result in a false positive. I did discuss with Ms. Smiley the potential of increased testing. She does understand that it's her responsibility. So if testing were to be increased, I'd ask that it be done through the potential scenario that she's currently in, which would be jams. I just do not want to set her up for failure. I do not believe, especially after reviewing the ETG and the amount that was in her system, that she is knowingly drinking alcohol or trying to violate intentionally the court orders. And at this point, I know Ms. Smiley wanted to at least describe her version as to why there was alcohol in her system pursuant to the test.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Ms. Smiley?
Yes. I was having some issues medically with going to the bathroom, and I have taken milk and magnesia before. I was getting ready. My children were having a graduation party the following weekend at my house, and I was trying to get ready for it. I had a lot of work to do around the house, and my stomach was cramping up really bad. And I took the milk and magnesia a couple of times, and that is the only thing. When Natalie told me that I tested positive, I was genuinely shocked. And I went through everything that I did that following week, and that is the only thing that I could imagine that could make it test positive, because as I looked at the bottle, it does say that there's alcohol in there, but I did not know that at the time.
Well, ma'am, I'm sure that you were told at some point during probation, whether at the beginning or whatnot, that you were responsible for reviewing the ingredients in anything that you're consuming, medication-wise.
Yes, I was.
Okay. And apparently, milk of magnesia contains flavoring that contains alcohol, not necessarily alcohol itself. What brand or what flavor did you take that day, ma'am?
I think it's the Phillips cherry, like cherry.
You think that's the one that pops up when you Google it, but in any event,
besides that, that is the only thing that I could possibly think of. It's Phillips Wild Cherry. I actually have it right here. I plan on throwing it away.
Why haven't you thrown it away yet, ma'am?
Because there's alcohol in it, and I just don't want it even around.
So why haven't you thrown it away before now?
Well, when we had a conversation regarding that, I wanted her to be able to have it if necessary to present to the court. That's the only reason, Judge. She's not ingesting anymore.
Okay, thank you. All right, so what the court's going to do is the court is going to order you to continue and complete options of probation. The court is going to order 30 days on the alcohol tether. I will allow you, ma'am, to use the sober link. The court's going to order 5 days jail suspended. So that means that if there's another violation, ma'am, that jail is back on the table, okay?
Judge, as to the sober link, what are the provisions? How many times per day?
5 times a day.
All right, Judge, I believe that at 5 times a day, does she have to test every 4 hours?
No, that's every, right.
I know that there was a period of time where we had testing every 4 hours. I just wanted to make sure that she'd still be able to get some sleep.
That's 6 times a day.
Okay, very good.
Is spread out a little bit more. She tests every 4 hours, but last one's 11 p.m. The next one's 7 a.m.
Okay, very good.
Okay. I need more coffee before I can do that math. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am. Email into Ms. Shaw. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Right, have a good day. And we are.